My name is Vincent Makole. I come from Kenya, which is found in Africa. And this is the second time I have come to a Boro hospital. I came here first in 2019. And this time when I was referred to go back to see how my condition will go by Dr. Vengadez. And we have kept in touch with Dr. Vengadez for long. And that is how when I found my conditions had become severe, I called him and then he advised me to come. Then when I arrived here, he put me through various examinations and he checked about my heart. He found that my heart had a sphere which needed a replacement of the outer valve. And after that, I had another problem raised up, and which was about the kidney. And when the kidney came up, they wanted now to know how they would just carry the surgery. But a problem arised again about my platelets. Then they referred me, that is to Dr. Neema Bhat, who is a hematologist. From there, I would say that Dr. Neema Bhat played a big role to see that the platelets are brought to normalcy. And when it was troubling, by this he tried even to introduce other drugs, that is the tablets, to make me better. I want to say that this process, it was not easy, because when I went to the surgery, there was again a problem for the first surgery in the heart. It made to go for the second surgery. And after that, because now they had controlled that platelets, they advised that all the surgeries were to be done within a short time so that my condition will be, or my life will be saved. Therefore, they were working in conjunction. I want to thank Dr. Neema Bhat, Dr. Vengadez, who has been the master planner of my treatment.
Hello all, I'm Dr. Neema Bhat, Senior Consultant Hematologist, Transplant Physician and Pediatric Oncologist here at Apollo Hospitals, Bangalore. We still remember to this day this one patient, Vincent, who had come from Kenya for an important life-saving heart surgery. However, the team was hit with a huge obstacle of the patient having very low platelet counts. So patient underwent the surgery successfully, but after that ended up having very low platelet counts down to 30,000, 40,000. So the entire hematology team, with help along with the cardiology team, did a thorough workup and evaluation for the reason for low platelets, and we were able to diagnose his condition successfully, and we started him on a special medicine that helps the body make more platelets. So with the help of this medicine, we were able to bring up the platelet counts that had reduced down to 30, 40,000, all the way up to 1.5 lakhs, which helped the patient not have any bleeding complications or other issues after the surgery, and following which he was able to be successfully discharged out of the hospital in spite of having a complicated medical condition. After having a short stay in his quarters after discharge, he went back to his country, and to this day he is doing fine, with platelet count still being maintained above 1.5 lakhs, and with him not having any bleeding complications or any major complications secondary to the surgery. So in blood related disorders, especially when there are low platelet counts in patients who require important major surgeries, a hematologist's role is extremely important. It becomes vital to ensure that all the blood parameters are maintained within range and the patient has the minimal complications even out of major surgeries.
At the same time, I want to thank Dr. Dibes for their work. These were doing wonderful work. And I want to say again, I won't forget Sister Sangita, who has been a bureau so to see me from the Department of Cardiologists. And the doctors in Aboro, they are working as a team. And therefore, as I go to my country, I continue to appreciate about the good work of Aboro Hospital. And when they get the international patients, I only beg sometime to be somehow lenient, even to have the passport for their treatment to assist them so that they don't have any much stress. Now, I want to come to this Abor hostel, the management, the international coordinator, all. We want to thank you for that work and for coordinating your work well. That is what I would say, and making the doctors are doing wonderful work. Much, I won't forget Mama Neema Bhat. I won't forget Dr. Fingerdes. I won't forget Dr. Chris. I won't forget Mama Dr. Maria, Dr. Mutika, and Dr. Kukunat, and Dibak in that area of my surgery. Thank you. Aboro, Osto, Bangalore, Panakata.